Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today is actually a very exciting day in our house. This morning I had another ultrasound for baby girl and I got to see her do all kinds of cute stuff, and it was just a super fun way to start the day. And then it is also the last day of NTI school for my older kids, and so I am no longer a homeschooling mom, and that makes me super excited. We can now put school behind us, put this homeschooling stuff behind us, and get on into our summer break, which is super exciting. I don't think I've ever been more excited to see a summer break come in my life. But this morning we spent the time just finishing up the last little bit of school, taking our last day of school pictures, and then getting our teachers' gifts all ready to go. Our school is kind of having us come back and turn in our Chromebooks and library books, etc. in different blocks varying by grade, and when we get to go, our teachers are going to be there for us to wave to out the window and give them their gifts, etc. So I wanted to make sure that I had all of those ready to go. That way we did not have to worry about them when the time came. I'm also going to spend this time, as I do every morning, just freshening up this main living space. There's something about just having this area cleaned up in the morning that gives me sanity, and since this morning was kind of hectic, I wasn't able to stick with my normal routine, so at this point I was definitely ready to get it cleaned. But this video is going to be showing you a lot of my daily cleaning routine. I hope that it motivates you, and I hope that you jump in and clean along with me. So like I've said before, I have been itching to redecorate a lot of my spaces, but due to the circumstances of the beginning of this year, I just haven't been able to go shopping or to make that happen. However, this past weekend, I did take a little bit of time to myself, and I was able to find a few pieces just to spruce up a few places in my house, one of those being this amazing lavender wreath. I actually found this for like $12, and I love the simplicity that it brings and the pop of spring. I'm also going to go ahead and just go through my everyday decor and take out all the winter touches just to bring it more into the spring and summertime until I actually get a chance to redecorate this entire space. So every morning as I complete one of these rooms, it's like a breath of fresh air. This does not last long. It will probably be destroyed faster than I can clean up my kitchen, but it feels good for the moment. I'm now going to move on to the crafting mess though that my kids made while making notes for their teachers. Plus I let the toddlers color and cut this morning, so there's just like paper everywhere, but they had fun. We're going to go ahead and fast forward into another day. I told you that I was going to bring you more of a realistic clean with me, and honestly, with real life motherhood, this is it. Sometimes everything doesn't get done in one day, and honestly, yesterday got away with me, so we are starting fresh today. I have sent the boys outside to play. My older two are still sleeping. It is the first day of summer break, so I guess they're taking advantage of that, and I am tackling cleaning once again. My goal today for sure is to get this main floor completed, and I'm going to take the next hour to do so. So outfit change, new day and all, but we're going to get it done.
My first day on earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide. Every color of the spectrum, every star up in the sky, the planets aligned for you, and I've known you since the dawn of time.
I wanted to go ahead and take a moment and formally introduce myself to any of you who may be new to my channel. My name is Sarah, and like I said, I am a mommy to 5, and I am currently pregnant with our 6th baby. I'm pregnant with a little girl, and we are so excited. I currently have 4 boys and 1 girl, so my daughter is ecstatic to finally get a sister. This little baby is going to be joining us probably towards the end of August. Her technical due date is September 4th, but my babies tend to come early, so I'm guessing it's going to be more of an August arrival. But on my channel, I bring weekly cleaning motivation because as a mom of 5 kids, there's always something to clean, as well as a few day in the lives and motherhood content. I am documenting this pregnancy a little bit here and there, but my true love is home decor and home renovation. We purchased our house about 2 years ago, and even though it had amazing bones, we did need to do quite a bit to it to update it. So we have been working on it room by room, and we are actually in the midst of multiple renovations right now, and I'm going to be bringing my channel along with me as we complete those. So if any of that interests you, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel and join me on this YouTube journey.
Till the morning sun, lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. My first day on earth, you sang me a tune, forever.
So mopping with kids around is so hard to do, and honestly there's just never a good time of day to do it. I actually mopped just a couple days ago, but I noticed today that there was a lot of gunkiness and some sticky parts on my floor, so I decided to go ahead and pull back out my O-Cedar mop, put a little bit of thieves cleaner in the water, and go ahead and re-tackle this floor. All the kids are awake right now, and even though I have them outside playing and down in the basement, they are going to end up walking on this wet floor. I just know it, but it needed to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle this for the brief moment that I have while they are contently playing outside.
And I'll never let you go. I'll never say goodbye. Together for eternity. Oh, I've loved you since the dawn.
We are now moving into my front room. This room is like a mixture of more fancy furniture and toys. Our home is actually a 3-story house, and we have a huge basement for the kids to have as a playroom. But my younger 2 really like playing with their toys in this room. So we have some trains, we have a little toy basket, etc. And honestly, this room gets so messy every day, but it's really convenient for the little ones, so I kind of just let it be. But I'm going to go ahead and straighten this space up. Like I said, during my typical daily routine, I try to take an hour every day and just tackle the main living space. Something about resetting the main floor makes me feel better, even if the bedrooms and the basement, etc. are a mess.
Burning bright, and I can't believe that I finally found you. Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. You and I will be fine.
So I'm now going to go ahead and tackle my entryway. I needed to dust and vacuum in here, and I also needed to vacuum the stairs. Vacuuming the stairs is not something that happens on the daily, so don't even think for a moment that I have it that together, but it really needed done, and my kids were actually being content for the moment, so I figured I would go ahead and tackle that as well. But my entryway space is one of the spaces when we first purchased this house that was just a blank blah space, and I love that we have done minimal renovations so far, but we've really been able to give it some character and bring in those farmhouse touches that I love. We added a shiplap wall, we've added lots of farmhouse decor, and although we would ideally love to eventually darken the hardwood floors and change out this railing, I'm really happy with what we have been able to do so far. I am a lover of all things farmhouse decor if you have not caught on to that yet, and I love transforming all of my rooms space by space and bringing that type of design into my decor. If you at all love farmhouse style as well, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm getting ready to start a bunch of different renovations and they're all going to have touches of farmhouse.
You and I will be fine. We belong together. You and I will be fine. We belong together. You and I will be fine. We belong together. Nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. My first day on earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide.
So as you can see, I'm starting to get a little bit of company, which means it's time for me to go ahead and wrap up my cleaning for the morning. Taking an hour every morning while the kids play has been great to get things done, but then duty calls and it's time to put the cleaning down and jump back into just having fun with my kids. It is my goal here on my channel to bring you guys more of a realistic cleaning expectation when it comes to managing cleaning and motherhood, and I hope that I do that with my videos. But if y'all do like what you see, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below that you are new. I love meeting new friends here on YouTube. And if you do need more cleaning motivation, I'm going to go ahead and insert more cleaning videos right here in the end cards. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.